Hello kids, welcome Shazia Kids Drawing. Today we will learn how to draw 10 tail set. This is a dark green color. This is a orange color. Which color kids? This is a orange color. This is a yellow color. Which color kids? This is a yellow color. This is a pink color. Which color kids? This is a pink color. This is a dark blue color. Which color kids? This is a dark blue color. This is a sky blue color. Which color kids? This is a sky blue color. This is a parrot green color. Which color kids? This is a parrot green color. This is a red color. Which color kids? This is a red color. Drawing is complete kids. If you like my video then like, subscribe and share. See you next video.